What's up, everybody? It's your boy Slickpits, and looks a little bit different right now. Of course, I'm in my backyard. Woke up 4:30 in the morning. Time to hustle and grind. Some people are going, what? Yeah. I typically wake up at 5 a.m. to start my days, but recently I decided that that's too late. That's sleeping in. Giving up my days, giving up my time. So 4:30 now. 4:30 in the morning for this deck with these dogs, for my morning routine to change, to wake up, get myself some stretches, get myself some lymphatic system openers in the morning, work a little bit, 10 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes tops, to be able to motivate myself, to get a jump on the day. And I didn't go to bed till 9 o'clock last night, after 9 actually, about 9:30 I was in bed. Worked all day, went to the gym last night, coached, worked with some new students, had a great evening, planning out my plan of attack when it comes to meal videos and all types of stuff for Sundays with Slickpits that's coming up. But beyond Sundays with Slickpits, and I'm going to be cooking in my own kitchen, but I'm also going to be hitting the road soon and doing some cool videos. I think Anthony Bourdain and those types of shows and stuff, those no reservations, I'm going to start producing my own videos to do stuff on my YouTube channel and some stuff here on TikTok and everywhere else. And continue to motivate with jiu-jitsu and music and the motorcycle community and everything. I'm just going to keep pounding it because I can't stop. I'm motivated. And some days you just got to get up in the morning and motivate yourself, and realize that we all get the same 24 hours in a day. It just depends on what you do with your 24 hours. I think I heard Steve Harvey say earlier that life is 10% of what happens to you and 90% on how you react to it. Yeah, that's pretty powerful stuff. So you can either take that as, I'm going to let life beat me up and be angry and pissed off, and I just want to march and yell and scream and cuss and hate everybody. Or I can look in the mirror and I can say, hey, the only person changing my life is me. The only one affecting my paycheck is me. The only one who's buying my groceries and feeding me and paying for this house and paying for these bills and finding my peace and my happiness is me. It doesn't have anything to do with anybody else out there. It's on me. So I'm hoping this morning you guys wake up early, start your morning, find the peace and happiness, get to your backyard, put in a little work, feel good. You know what? You're going to have some extra energy going throughout your day. I'm your boy Slickpits. I hope you have a crazy motivated day. I hope today is better than yesterday. Set goals, work forward, live on the positive side of things. I'm your boy Slickpits, and I'm out. Boom.